Welcome, children, to our English online session. I hope you all are sounding good. Children, today we are going to learn the comprehension passage and grammar and vocabulary. Children, I have sent you FA2 portion. Okay? FA2 portion is from textbook unit 3 and 4. You need to know how the passage should be read and how we need to answer the questions asked from the passage. So today we will do some practice on this. Children, first we need to read how the comprehension passage has been given to you. Read the comprehension passage carefully and answer the following questions. I am reading for you, children. You also practice from the textbook whatever the passages as a conversation has been given. You need to read the textbooks. Okay, and we have to find meanings. We need to know the plural forms. We need to know the verb forms. Yes, children, I told you as verb are action words, noun is a naming word. Okay, today we will learn some more. Ishwar and Fatima are trying to catch the squirrel. The squirrel jumps on colors. Ishwar tries to catch Bittu. Bittu jumps here and there in the class. Children are screaming and running here and there. Amu comes to the class. She asks Bittu to come back. Bittu is scared and he jumps here and there, spreading colors on everybody. Amu catches him. Bittu, don't get scared. They are all my friends. First, we need to understand. Comprehension means to understand the given passage. Ishwar and Fatima are friends of Amu. Okay? Amu's classmates. They are trying to catch the squirrel. Amu kept the Bittu in the bag, na? So Bittu has come out from the Amu's bag. The squirrel jumps on colors. Actually, they want to catch Bittu. What Bittu is doing? Jumping on colors, whatever are there in the class. Ishwar tries to catch Bittu, tries to catch the squirrel. Bittu jumps here and there, here on the bench, to the down, to the stage, to the table, to the chair. Okay, like that Bittu is jumping. Children are screaming. Screaming means shouting, howling. Okay, to more and more bigger, louder voice, screaming and running here and there. Amu comes to the class. She enters to the class. She asks Bittu, come back. Because Amu's friend is Bittu, na children. So Amu brought Bittu. So Amu is asking Bittu to come to me. Bittu is scared that anyone may catch him. Scared is afraid of, to have fear. Okay, children, it means scared, very much having fear in them. And jump here and there, spreading colors on everybody. Amu catches him. Him is Bittu. Amu holds Bittu. Bittu, don't get scared. Don't be afraid, Bittu. Amu is saying to Bittu. They all are my friends. Don't get scared. They all are my friends. So my friends will be surely your friends. So they will not harm you, Bittu. Don't get scared. So this is the meaning of this passage. Children, you need to read the passage. You are small children, na? You will take time to understand. My dear students, now you should answer the following questions which are asked from the passage. See, the questions may be like this, children. Who jumps on the colors? The squirrel jumps on the colors. Answer is. Who are trying to catch Bittu? Ishwar and Fatima are trying to catch Bittu, the squirrel. Okay? Who are screaming and running here and there? Children are screaming and running here and there. Okay? Who comes to the class? Ammu comes to the class. Who is scared? Bittu is scared. And what he is doing? He is jumping here and there. It shows that Bittu is very much scared. If we will not be scared, we will be in one place only. If we are scared only, we will shout, we will scream, we will run here and there. Okay. From here only, we can have some more blanks, children. That is, Ammu dash him. Ammu catches him. Ishwar dash to catch Bittu. Ishwar tries to catch Bittu. Both are verb forms, children. You can have the plurals also, they may ask you, children. So we have learned plurals. One and many. They are called plurals. Singular, plural. One means singular. More means plural. I have taught you, na children? Like that, we can ask from the passage also. Like friend, friends. Class, classes. Adding ES form, S form. Okay. Child, children. Color, colors. Okay, my dear students. So from the passage, we may ask you the plural forms, filling the blanks, your verb forms like past tense also we may ask you. But you are small children, so you need to learn more and more. The past tense, sit, sat. Like that also simple. Run, ran. Run is the present tense. So past tense is ran. Like that also it may come. Add ing form also will be. So here grammar and vocabulary. So ing forms also we need to learn from the total textbook I have given you. So from the lesson wise also we can pick you and give you. So run, running. So some of the ing forms also I prepared for you children. You need to learn. So what are they? Add ing for the given verbs. Like wash, ing, wash-ing, wash, washing, wash, washing, talk, talking, talk, talking, look, looking, look, looking, sit, sitting. Here tt, sit, sitting, sitting, eat, eating, eat, eating, read, reading, read, reading, play, playing, play, playing, make, making, make, making, write, writing, write, writing, skip, skipping, skip, skipping, drive, driving, drive, driving, run, running, run, running, do, doing, do, doing, come, coming, come, coming, drink, drinking, drink, drinking, put, putting, put, putting. My dear students, please, many more are there from your textbook. Okay, you have to write and learn more. So my dear students, so what we are learning, it can be more also. Okay, and next bit is for you is mind mapping. So I have given you as an example of school. You may get anything. Okay, whatever you have in the school you can write, like blackboard, headmaster, classrooms, office, teachers, students, Children, in classroom, what you can easily to frame, how you will write for classroom, sorry. Classroom, what you will have in the classrooms? Can you please guess? Okay. First, when you enter in the classroom, what you will see? Benches. What you can see? Blackboard, teacher's table, chair, chalk piece. Yes, blackboard is compulsory. Okay, chalk piece is compulsory to teach. Benches you will sit. Okay, and you have one cupboard to keep your books. You can have these many. Classroom means compulsory you will find door and windows. It's a room which you make it as a classroom. So what is important is blackboard, teacher's table, chair, chalk piece, blackboard. You can write like this also. So school also you can write many more things. So these are the things which you need to say and write like a mind mapping. What mind mapping means? What? Taking new words from the given word. What can be more? Okay, children, it can be for meanings also. Right. Very good, children. Next one we will see as matching. This one is very easy. That's why I did not write the answers. You can identify the picture and you can easily place that A, B, C, D, E alphabet. You can place there. Bag. First one number is given, na children? Bag. Where you find the bag? In front of which letter you can find the bag there? Bag is in front of E. So E you will place in front of bag. Bag is given. There you will write E. Where is bottle? Bottle D. In place of D you can find bottle. So nose, where you can find nose? A. A is there. You will write there. Next, toe. You can see the toe picture. C. It is an in front of C alphabet. You will write in front of toe in the bracket C. Then head. What is that? Which alphabet? You can see the head. You can see in front of B alphabet. So you will write in front of head the alphabet B. So it is very easy, children. You can write by yourself the matching. So I request everyone to practice good the body parts with spellings. I gave you the body parts also, na children. I taught you in the class also. So you might have heard the class, recording class for the body parts. Which parts are called as head, eyes, fingers, shoulders, stomach. Yes, each and everything, leg, lips, eyes, nose, ears, teeth. So each and everything make it perfect to learn with the spellings. Now the next bit, children, after match the following, you can see filling the blanks with an articles, given articles. Articles also I have taught you in the class. A and the are called as articles. Okay. A and the are called as articles. So when A is used for a singular thing, A is used, and an is used for the vowel sounds, and the is used for the particular naming things. Okay. So which can be having the only and only particular ones you will use the, like the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is not there, another one. Only particular Taj Mahal is there in Agra. So that is called the. The sun is a unique one. Is a singular one. So that kind of things. For example, a car. Car is a thing. You can have many, but here particularly it is not an vowel sound. It is a consonant. A car. The moon. An aeroplane. An aeroplane. A is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U are 5 letters which gives vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U gives vowel sounds. So in front of the vowel sounds you will keep an aeroplane. The earth. So pronunciation you see, it is the earth. Earth is unique one. So you will keep the in front of that. An owl. An owl. The Bible is a holy book. So in front of only the holy books, musical instruments, you will keep the newspapers, the names of the newspapers also you will keep in front of that the Hindu, the Inadu. So names of the newspapers also you will put the Deccan Chronicle. You will use the. A pen, simple one children. An onion, onion is an vowel sound. The Taj Mahal, a boy, ba is a consonant sound. So many more are there. I have given you. You can practice, children. Okay, in the notes also I have sent you. You can practice. In the class also I taught you articles. And writing part, children. Okay, here I didn't hear. Well, means having by seeing the picture. See, in the class textbook also we have given about many things like a hut, picture of your house. Okay, house by seeing that, about school. Okay, about your pet, anything you can write. I have written for the cow as well as the cat. So you can write any pet animal, about any pet animal, children. So practice for that also. Here, what is that? About cow, what you have written? You can write like simple sentences. Sentences you need to frame, children. You need to improve how to frame a sentence. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay, and ends with a question mark if you want to ask as a question, and ends with an exclamatory mark. So my dear students, we are writing as simple sentences, so it need to start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. So simple, what you can write about cow, you can, by seeing the cow, you can describe the cow also. Okay, first one, a cow is a useful domestic animal. It gives us milk. Okay, cow gives us milk. It eats grass, grain, husk, and vegetables. The young ones of cow is known as calf. The baby of cow is known as calf. The cow lives in shed. You can put the cow in shed. Yes, children? Farmers use male cow known as ox to plow. To plow the fields, oxen are used. So my dear students, you can describe cow also in your terms. So maximum framing the sentences will be your small children, it will be difficult. So I have selected very easy sentences for you. Just when you see a cow, how to describe? It is a domestic animal. Okay, you can put the cows in your house also. So it is domestic animal. Okay, cow eats grass. You can write simple sentence. Cow eats grass. You can write cow eats vegetables, husk, hay. With that simple sentences you can frame. Cow gives us milk. Yes, like simple sentences you can frame on cow. Next one, another few sentences about cat. What you will write about cat? Cat is a pet and domestic animal. Okay, pet animal. Many people use cats for pets. Cat likes to drink milk. Mostly cats like to drink milk, and cat's favorite is mouse. You can use like that sentence also. Cat eats rat. That kind also you can write as a sentence. The eyes of the cats are bright and they will shine at the night. The eyes of the cats are bright and they will shine at the night. Eyes are bright and shine at night. Okay. Rats are the favorite food of cats. Tigers are also from cat's family. They say, na, tigers are also cat's family, belongs to cat's family. The young ones of cat is known as kitten. My dear students, you need to know that cat's baby is known as kitten. So like that, any pet, you can, if they will ask you to write, you need to have your own sentences. In your textbook also about dog is there. Okay, about goat also you can write. Like that simple, any 5 sentences or any 5 to 6 sentences, if you are ready to write, you are good enough in English. So, my dear students, practice, have more practice. I request parents, please guide children, and I am very much thankful to you all to make your children, you're making your children to know the minimum to minimum, the knowledge what you are providing. We are helping, you are helping us to make the child for the good citizen. So my dear students, please cooperate and learn and complete the notes. So have all the best children and keep learning, and I will send you again the portion of FA2. Okay, take care of you all. Thank you for today's class. You are keep going and just do good. Thank you very much.